Finding the right keywords on the web page to make your site appear on the first page of Google and other search engines is the primary goal of internet marketers. The good news is that it is not that difficult to do. With a little patience and a little practice, you can optimize your web pages and also benefit from free traffic. It is straightforward, and if you do it right and get the coveted first page ranking of your site, and you will receive a lot of traffic, quality targeted traffic, for free. These are called organic searches. Someone accesses the web browser and types a search term. Say someone is looking for golf balls. If they search for that term, and if you optimize your web pages with these keywords, your site may appear very high in the search results. This is called search engine optimization, and it's a great way to get a ton of very targeted traffic, completely free. By ranking so high, it also gives your site much more credibility. The average internet user does not know much about how everything works. For this reason, many people assume that the sites listed at the top of the results pages are the best. And, as they are the best to optimize your web pages so that they can profit from all this organic traffic. So, how do you benefit from using these keywords to get to the first page of search engines? Well, the first thing you need to do is compile a list of keywords. If you want to benefit from a higher ranking, you need to target the keywords used very carefully. It's easy to think that you should get all of the most searched keywords in your niche, but it rarely works because those keywords are too competitive. A much better and more efficient strategy is to find keywords composed of 3 to 4 words. These long-tail keywords won't receive hundreds of thousands of searches, but they'll receive a lot of searches per month and won't be so competitive that you won't be able to rank them anyway. If you choose a dozen or more of these long-tail keywords and each type about 1,500 searches per month, you have an excellent chance of ranking several of them, not just one. This will provide you with a lot of traffic, and because the traffic you're getting is from people who are searching for the exact keyword and item you need to sell, you'll get a lot of sales. It is not that difficult to optimize your web pages for search engines. The better you add the best keywords to the web page, the more organic search results you'll get. This is free traffic, and you will make more sales and get a much higher rate of return on your time investment. Outside the time, it's free.